How to download and install VLC media player on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install VLC media player on your PC or laptop. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser and just search in for VLC media download player. So you can just tap on the first link over here and just click on this download VLC button over here, and it will be available for the Windows, and you can also choose the version, see the version, and it should automatically start the download. If it doesn't start, you can also click here. As you can see, it has already been started, so you just have to wait for a few seconds until it gets downloaded on your device. So once it gets successfully downloaded, just tap on this download icon over here and just click on this setup icon, and you can also open the application just like this setup icon. So once you click on enter, just click on yes and select the preferred language of your choice and just click on next, and just you can just install all of the plugins as well and wait for a few seconds until it successfully installs on your device. So once it gets successfully installed, you can just run the application just like this and clicking on finish, and it should successfully be running on your device. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.